Hello everyone, welcome to HPM Tech. YouTube TV printing pictures and pictures to its ISO app vendors, sound and supported coming tools. Google YouTube and see in displayed high price is once the best ways to keeping live channels without training cables now. Interviews YouTube TV asset has confirmed it. Pictures supported coming ISO sounded and expert supported tools speaking. These were YouTube chief and product official Neil Mohan and confirm few features. Offer Neil and confirm future coming YouTube TV and coming and first forest include Airwell in picture supported ISO version YouTube TV Google supported features and long time and with assistant OSO spatial timeline and features unlock button mouse and set hopeful and average next month and Nobel pictures and picture just come in regular YouTube TV app. YouTube also working on expand and excel feature include sound and which launched in last years on very limitation but in selection showed and time bet in 6 months where Samsung and LG TV on basic Google TV's latest mode and confirmed the new feature by YouTube TVs and TV showed any related information on course control when viewers in protect mode and protection device remove all viewers movie in TVs about and can get stable YouTube Premium and without music for $15 and $5. These are particular must and features include Capit and Oasis exchange bin and changing price is harsh commit these boys and very constant in coming month and purchase and going take too long uncleared out the line and capital features. Google support this apply TVs and affected every pay real money in the server. Apply music for getting better with beta release app classics ma'am. This latest and version app music rolling out Android's evening with very subjects update and home screen with will possible and also relate name apply send and class genuine information comment and Google is X live and for limited and pixels 6 for just these Android updates the Pix 6 and users and for with new chip unders to hold and features performance and special software no and logos update how and permission already been drive and Galaxy's 2020 and Samsung estate a special chip in Google has for limitation pixels to 6 these and measures Android update he every update 20L Vita's Galaxy this update and foldable force and Android 12L is joining and Google's Motofice Android 12 beta 3 rolling out include 6 pixel and 6 Pro Android 12 snare in public launch today's availability and 3 beta less today in Pixels enrollment programming the Pixel 6 lines eligible for first time in classical Galaxy S22 2 Pre and orders store and orders Some tease and fear beat and get excited about the Galaxy S22 to include and just fact people having and submit orders Samsung.com. What is your thought and about Samsung and flashlight phone and Galaxy S2022? Chrome 18 include in multiple Windows upgrade followed tablet for optimization. Authors and his with developers optimization for tablet and foldables ever cost Chrome and his scene include multiple Windows using launch device Lenovo Ideal and Dude 5 Chromebooks his and first discount and today best deals all today's best deals heading and buy first discount and new Lenovo iPad and Dead Chrome Olden screen in this include must and sometimes low and just major action and something new Pro plus micro SD 23 and jumps all this something confirm it all 20L is come tablet search in Galaxy Tab S8 Android 12 is in the next big update and platform and future and promise experience and bigger screen include portable tablet and launched it is Galaxy A Tab S series coming the company tablet tracking because and launch the best selling and fish and smartphone bag others round and Samsung and 20 nothing and in Google Assistant support thank and real estate future update and nothing what assignment and modo supported more language and Google 5 getting family location sharing for safe internet and 2022 Google Android TV OS area force company Google TV experience Google is rolling out and pairs Android deals and Samsung Matter and will remember and fans Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro following Samsung trails yesterday and after Google today dressed and new assignment experience was Google Auto Enable and 2.5 is 150 million people and reading and 50% discrete improvements in accounted. Last year's Google starting automatic enable two-step verification and is successful and 115 million people with 2SV requirement is reluctant 50% in corporate Google account. YouTube Music and Gen constant download app short YouTube Music and get ghost. Sun Juniors and experience Music easily and refreshing. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest vision updates. Thanks for watching.